Hello, my name is Blyder, and I'm going to tell you our for some Ramones and our My Cars collection. So here is for and the lights are on now. Now I'm going to tell you all of the parts. This is a king is Petru, and this is his toolbox. This is a king, and this is Boots Lightning the Tween, and I'm going to say and Weakless, and Doc Heaven with red wheels, and Shakix Boost with a boot on him, and the Boost with orange on him, and Frank is Tractors, and Nitro Wade, and Luigi, and Snot Rod, and this is Dexter Hoover. This is Lightning Petru. This is Ramon, and this is Mater. This is Lightning. This is Tumbleweed Lightning. This is a king, and this is a king game. This is Lightning is toolbox. This is diapers. And this is diaper. This is Lightning the Tween. This is Mater.
Why is that one diaper?
That means I don't know his name anymore.
Oh. Is that Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen?
No, his name is Diapers.
Oh, it's a cruise diapers, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is Dragon Lightning, and towards on his our one is Starry, and this is Sarah Lightning the Tween came from Frank. This is Sheriff, and this is Shakix is Petru. This is I don't know this one's name.
Something Taxi.
Burn Taxi. This is Brad. This is Fillmore. And he can check out all the things on the bottom of him. And this is Stanley. This is Red. This is Lightning the Tween with piston tub wheels. This is
and
Snot
what company? What Lightning McQueen is it?
Dinosaur Lightning the Tween, and Snot Rod, and Tex, and Weakless Petru Dorito, and Doc Heaven with red wheels. This is Doc Heaven. This is Doc. This is Doc. This is Mia, and this is Smashed Up King. And hey, Daddy, I tell you something. What is over here? What's this?
That's his bumper.
Oh, and
it's smashed up.
And this is his Smashed Up King. This is Donna Piss. This is Wingo with his sunglasses on. And this is Shine Lightyear. And this is Chick-Hicks.
Wait, what's that one called in front?
Shine Lightyear.
Oh, it looks like it says, wait, put it down. Sidewall Shine.
Sidewall Shine. And
yeah.
This is Blue Chick-Hicks with Dinosaur on him, and it says Dinosaur on him, and this is Spin Out the Tween. He's one of my newest I like. And this is Sally. She's a Durlo, and this is Sheriff, and this is Fillmore. This is a Fiery, and this is Rusty. This is Ramon. This is Fro, and this is Charlie Checker. This is a Chick Hicks truck. This is Jerry the Psycho Battery.
Why don't you hold up Jerry?
And then he can open like that. And then you can close him.
Hold him
back.
up so we can see the side of Jerry.
Okay.
Very cool. Very cool.
And this is Mac. He can open up like this here. And then you can put lighting inside, and you can close him back up. And this is Dill. He's a Peterbilt too. And this is a big Lightyear blimp. And this is.
Do you know Lightyear Blimp's real name?
This is Elf, and
Good.
this is Wingo with his naughty sunglasses on. This is a piston top seat.
Oh, yeah.
There. And this is Chick Hicks. This is Guido. This is Fire Truck Mater. And this is New Major for Young. Yeah, and this is Lightyear, Lightning Ramon, and Fred, and Sarge, me, and Tia, and Rusty.
Wait, nope.
No Dusty.
Yeah.
And this is Nick Stickers.
Okay.
This is DJ, and this is DJ. This is Lighting. This is Trab, and this is a Ding Ding Ding. And this is a truck, Chick Hicks truck, and this is Frank, and this is Frank. This is Frank, and this is Mac. Thank you.